Heading to the local butcher shop used to be a fairly common chore, but over the years, those local processors gave way to national packing companies, supermarkets, and big box retailers. Yet there are still a few local packing companies and meat processors who continue to build a business based on decades of delivering quality meat. On a two-lane road in the outskirts of Perkins, Oklahoma, you'll find Ralph's Packing Company loading another truck with the day's orders. The same things it's been doing for the last 50 years.
That's a big milestone to me. You know, I never thought I'd see it, but we have seen it. Now I have my daughter, son-in-law, they're working in the business, and hopefully they'll carry on as a third generation.
Gary Crane is the son of Ralph and runs a company that now processes 10,000 pounds of product every day.
Thanksgiving's a long ways off, but
they're already thinking about it.
They're already thinking about it.
Holy cow. This year alone, they'll smoke nearly 5,000 birds during the holiday season.
But we do a small amount of slaughtering of beef and pork animals. We do a lot of further processing in the fact that we cure a lot of meat, a lot of pork products, a lot of poultry products we cure and smoke. That's bacon that we smoked yesterday. We call that Arkansas style. We make a lot of beef jerky.
In fact, beef jerky is one of their biggest sellers. It's not uncommon to see the familiar Ralph's jerky packaging being sold in stores across the state. But comparatively speaking, Ralph's is a small facility with about 35 employees. Yet when it comes to meeting government regulations, Ralph's and others like them are being hung with some big expectations.
I'm all for food safety. I'm a 100% believer in it. But some of the processes that the government is mandating now is a one-size-fits-all type regulation. And some of these rules are made for extremely large plants, and sometimes in small plants it's just almost an impossibility to do it.
And so understanding, interpreting, and executing the process to comply with those regulations has been challenging. It's been a learning process, and that's one area where Ralph's has been to the center.
Oklahoma State's Food and Agricultural Products Center has helped Ralph's define and meet those expectations.
We may not always agree or understand what's behind the regulations, but we can deliver something where we can comply with the regulations.
Will you bring us some more meat, please?
Allowing Ralph's to keep cooking, keep cutting, and continuing to grow, hopefully for another 50 years down the road.